Hey guys, welcome to the level 2 algebra preparation questions. This is question 14 in this series. So today we're going to look at a couple of achieved questions back again, so just to refresh our minds. So as usual, pause the video, try the questions out by yourselves, see how far I can actually get with these questions. Okay, hope you've had a chance to actually have a go through this question. So with the first one, we've got square root of a to the power of negative 5. So I'm going to get rid of the square root. Remember that square root of x could be written as x to the power of half. So in this case, what's going to happen is we're going to get a to the power of negative 5 over 2, and that's going to be raised to the power of 6. Okay, now you might be wondering, how did I get to negative 5 over 2? Because remember that if you have square root of a to the power of negative 5, this could be written as a to the power of negative 5 to the power of half, which then equals a to the power of negative 5 times half, which is 5 over 2. So carrying on with this question, now I'm going to have negative 5 over 2 multiplied by 6. I'm going to get a to the power of negative 30 over 2, which is a to the power of negative 15. And remember, we need to leave the answers in positive indices. So for this question, we're going to get 1 over a to the power of 15. Okay, now having a look at the second question, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get rid of the x inside the bracket first before even dealing with the 3 over 2. So that means I'm going to get something like this, where it's going to look 4 x to the power of negative quarter minus 2/3. And that's all raised to the power of 3 over 2. Because remember that when we have x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n, this could be written as x to the power of m minus n. So I've got a negative quarter, take away negative 2/3. Now, you can actually do this in the calculator. I'm just going to do it on the side here with a fraction, because I have actually forgotten my calculator at work. So 12 is the common multiple, lowest common multiple, so of times 4 times 3 and 3. What we've got is negative 3 minus 8 over 12, which is negative 11 over 12. So that means we've got 4 times x to the power of negative 11 over 12, and that's now raised to the power of 3 over 2. So now I can actually deal with the 3 over 2, but before I do that, remember 4 has a power of 1, which means we can rewrite this as 4 to the power of 1 times 3 over 2, and then x to the power of negative 11 over 12 times 3 over 2. Now 4 to the power of 3 over 2, that should be 8. And then here you've got x to the power of, what do we got? That cancels out to 4 and 1. So this negative 11 over 12 times 3 over 2 could be written as negative 11 over 8. Now, of course, remember, again, this has got to be in positive indices. So we're going to write that as 8 divided by x to the power of 11 over 8. Alright guys, that's basically it for this little video here. If you have any questions, pop it in the comment section below. But apart from that, thank you for watching. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video.